Happy Friday, everybody. This is Aaron of Square Thunder, and today is Fast Logo Friday, episode number 7. I know, like everybody else, Friday snuck up on us. Every day seems to just kind of blur into the same day as the last day right now, as we're all stuck inside with social isolating and self-distancing and quarantining and all those things. But life goes on, we press on, we keep doing the things that we're doing. Today our word is coin. Not the same pocket full of change that you might be carrying and rattling around, but a different spelling of the word, Quoin. A coin is the square outside corner of a rock or stone wall, usually on a building. It also can refer to one of the stones that is used to make up that wall. Today I'm going to design a logo for an architectural firm called Quoin Architects. We're going to start with sketching out some rough ideas with a pencil and paper, and then we're going to hop into Illustrator and refine one of those concepts even further, and then I'll bring that into some mock-ups so we can see the final design in its natural habitat like usual. Thanks for watching Fast Logo Friday. I'm Aaron with Square Thunder. You stay awesome.